Hey boo, welcome and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see from the title, today I'm gonna be taking down my mini twist. I've had this style in for almost 2 weeks now, and I'm going to link the video, of where I did it above and in the description box below. So make sure you go check that out after this video, okay? Mini twists can be kind of tricky to take out because sometimes your hair could lock, and it's mostly advised that you do not spray your hair with water when you are taking down your mini twist, just to avoid like tangles and knots that the softness of your hair from the water can cause. I don't know if that makes any sense. Anyway, so I will not be using water at all in this process, but I will be using one product and one product only. And that product is the Mediana Daily Use Hair Fertilizer and Hair Repair Cream. This is how it looks like. I was just like in the store, I was buying hair accessories and I saw it, I was like, and it was really cheap. Like, this is 180 grams and it's just 500 naira. I was like, 500 naira, I can part with 500 naira, let me just buy it and see. First of all, it smells so good. It smells like mentholated butter. Like sometimes I just open it and it smells like mentholated butter. It smells so good and it makes my hair so soft. Like I used it as a cream when I was moisturizing my hair. I prefer to use the LCO method. So after using my leave-in conditioner, I applied it as my cream before I put my oil, and my hair was like, my hair reacted different. Like I could feel the difference. My hair was so soft, my hair reacted so well to it. So I decided, okay, this is the product that I will be using today. Most people use oil to take down their twists because oil provides like lubrication and stuff, but this cream is mostly, I feel like it's oil based because it's mostly oils in it. After the first ingredients, which is water, there's coconut oil, castor oil, almond oil, argan oil, chebe extract, there's shea butter, carca oil, bergamot oil. So there's like a lot of oil in here. Okay, so I'm going to be using it to take down my twist and to detangle my hair, the entire process. So I've been talking too much, let's get right into it. Let's go. When it comes to taking down mini twists, you have to be very patient. So you have to work a few twists at a time, which is what I am doing. Then I'm taking my Mediana cream. I'm only going to take a little bit. I don't like to be heavy-handed with products. I'm going to massage it into those twists that I have out, make sure that it enters them properly. I'm confused. Like, should I just undo the twist and hope for a twist out, or I should just undo and detangle? I'm very confused. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo everything and see if there is a promising twist out, and if there isn't, I'll not have to go back again and detangle. That's a very big gamble, but let's see. Okay, so taking down the first few twists, I need to honestly say that I was not impressed. No, I couldn't see the definition like at all. Like some were defined, but the ones on that were practically straight. I was crying inside. Okay, so I've undone some of the twists. Some of them are showing signs of definition, while some of them are rather straight in some areas. But I think I would still see if I can get like a twist out from this. So I'm not going to detangle yet. Yeah, no, I'm not going to detangle yet. Okay, so I'm done taking down all the twists. But do I like this twist out? Do you like this twist out? Like, do you like it? Because I don't know if I do. Let me see if I can just... I think the back is okay, but the front is looking crazy. Or is it just that I'm not used to this much definition in my hair, or what is really going on? I don't know. I mean, my hair feels very good. My hair feels soft. My hair is so soft right now. It is soft, it's everything, but like, I don't really care for this definition. I'm gonna detangle it. I'm sorry for wasting your time hoping with me that I was gonna get a twist out of this, but yeah, I'm just gonna detangle my hair. I'm gonna detangle it. So since I already have product in my hair, I'm basically just going to be using my fingers to detangle before going in with my detangling brush. So what I'm gonna do basically is I'm gonna just, you see how it looks locked kind of? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twirl it in the opposite direction. You know when you're twisting your hair, you kind of like twirl it before you twist, all right? That's what is making it look locked like this. So when you twirl it in the opposite direction, it loosens up that section and you can then easily run your fingers through it and boom, detangled. Easy. That's all you need to do. It's very simple, it's very easy, and there you go. Ooh, look at that length. 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 Ooh, okay. Okay, so that is basically what I'm going to be doing for all of the sections. Why am I sweating so much? I don't know why it is still so hot this time of year. It's December. It's supposed to be cooling down a little bit. I mean, there's no winter over here in Nigeria, but like at least Hamatan should come and help us to cool the area now. So hot. Okay, so I'm almost done now, and man, all of y'all out there who are working towards getting fuller hair, I hope you know what you are wishing for, because my arms be aching. Damn. Ooh. I feel like I need to say that my hair has never felt like this after mini twist before. I've done mini twist like twice before, and each time my hair was basically a sponge. You know, there's a difference between a sponge and a sponge. My hair was a sponge when I was taking the mini twist out, but this time I think because of the product combination that I used, the hair was more like, it was more manageable when my hair was in twists. My twists were not unraveling, they were not locking up the way they normally would, you know, before I tried the new products that I did try. This is the first time I'm trying this Mediana product, and trust me, it's not an ad. They are not paying me to do this. They don't even know I'm doing this. All this publicity I'm giving them, they don't know, but it's all right, it's okay. The cream is working very well for my hair. My hair feels so soft, guys, so soft. Okay, I'm definitely going to be trying mini twist again because I have these products now. Like before, I used to, after the first 2 times that I did mini twist, I started running away from mini twist because, well, it wasn't doing my hair any good. Like everybody else was swearing by mini twist. Mini twist helped me to grow my hair, it's the best protective style in the world. Well, it wasn't protecting nothing for me, because every time I was taking down my mini twist, I would lose a ton of hair, and you know, it just annoyed me, so I stopped doing it. But then when I got the products that I used to do it, I was like, why don't I try it out again? And I did, and guess what? It was good! It was a great experience, to be honest, and I will definitely be doing it again. Don't forget, if you want to see the products that I use to do my mini twist, the link to that video is down in the description box. Okay. Remember what I said about detangling my hair? Well, after pulling the twist apart, I got this poofy but kind of defined hairstyle twist out thing, and not gonna lie, I kind of like it. I think I prefer my hair big and poofy this way than that flat thing that was on my head before. I don't care for flat hair. I like big poofy hair like this. There is minimal definition, but I don't really care because I just prefer my hair like this. I like it big. I like it huge. I like it fluffy. Okay, so yeah, I'm done taking down the mini twist. Should I detangle my hair or I should leave it like this? I'm finna leave it like this. I'm gonna leave it like this, okay? Alright guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. I was just trying to show you guys how I take down my mini twist, or rather the new way I take down my mini twist. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. What else? I think that's it. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.